everyone, today's book is called A Snowstorm Shows Off. It's part of the Belle the Weather Girl series. This is written by Belinda Jensen, who is a real meteorologist. It's also illustrated by Renee Kurila. This is about blizzards. Chapter 1. So much snow. Wow, that's a lot of snow. Belle's cousin Dylan shook snow off his coat. Your mom's forecast said we'd only get a little. Mom says snowstorms are sneaky, Belle said. Even meteorologists don't always know how hard they'll hit or where. So they're kind of coming to school. Looks like a lot of snow outside. This says, dress warmly to stay safe in cold weather. Remember your hat and mittens, wear a coat and snow pants to keep your clothes dry. Good advice. Let's talk about snow science, their teacher, Mr. Gavin, held up a cup. Sometimes water is liquid. Sometimes water is vapor we can't see. He pointed outside. When water vapor gets cold enough, it freezes. It turns into ice crystals high in the air. The crystals fall as snow. This little factoid says, it snows in all 50 states of the United States. It even snows in Hawaii. Wow. So snow is just water in a different state. Mr. Gavin wrote on the board, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. Then a big gust of wind rattled the windows. Take a wiggle break, he said. I need to call the office. Everyone rushed to look outside. Snow was blowing everywhere. Belle couldn't even see the playground. So here he's saying, at about 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius, that's when water starts to freeze. And rain would turn to snow. Chapter 2. A blizzard begins. Mr. Gavin hung up. Back to your seats. The storm seems to be turning into a blizzard, but we're perfectly safe. What if we get a mountain of snow? Cody yelled. We could be stuck here until summer. I'm scared. I want my mom. Lily looked ready to cry. Yeah, sometimes big storms can make you feel nervous. But the adults have a plan. Belle raised her hand. Hold on. Weather isn't so scary once you understand it. That's right, Mr. Gavin said. And we have a weather expert in our class. Belle, come up here. Explain to everyone about blizzards. Belle bumped her fists together. Warm air and cold air don't get along, she said. When they meet, the wind gets stronger. In a blizzard, the strong wind blows snow around like crazy. This says, blizzards are winter storms where the wind gusts are at least 35 miles per hour. Or miles, sorry. Yeah, miles per hour. 56 kilometers per hour. The gusts keep happening for at least 3 hours. Lots of falling or blowing snow makes it hard to see. So blizzards are not just snow, they're blowing snow. And here we have cold air and warm air meeting and creating lots of wind and snow. A blizzard. Dylan said, so a blizzard is just a show-off snowstorm? Belle nodded. But not all snowstorms are blizzards. Blizzards need big winds. I wish we had gone home before it all started, said Lily. But we don't always know blizzards are coming, Belle says, and they can whip up fast. Here's a factoid. Blizzards always include blowing snow, but new snow doesn't have to fall during these storms. In ground blizzards, the wind blows around snow that was already on the ground. Sometimes if it's just windy enough, the snow on the ground will fly all over. Interesting. Chapter 3, The Blizzard Party. Mr. Gavin stood up. Great job, Belle. Now who wants to go to the blizzard party in the gym? The whole school came to party. Belle was blizzard hopscotch champion. Finally, the principal whispered for quiet. The wind is dying down, plows are clearing the streets, and it won't be long before we can go home. To be safe, stay inside during blizzard conditions. Keep blizzard supplies on hand during winter. These include bottled water, flashlights, blankets, a radio, and extra batteries. So they kind of had a party at school because they couldn't go home just yet. Not in the blizzard. So they had fun at school instead until the blizzard was over. Looks like they did lots of fun things. Lily looked at Belle. You said a blizzard can happen fast. What if it starts again before my mom can get here? Belle gave her friend a hug. It's okay, Lily. Once the wind have died down, the blizzard's energy will be gone. It won't start up again. Now, let's go get another snow cone. In 1993, a blizzard called the Storm of the Century hit 26 states. One town in Tennessee recorded 5 feet, or 1.5 meters of snow. The winds gusted over 70 miles per hour, or 113 kilometers. Whew! That was quite the storm. Belle is a good friend, helping reassure her friend Lily. Lily's mom walked in while she was showing Belle her purple tongue. Guess what, Mom? Said Lily. Belle taught us about blizzards today. She really is Belle the weather girl. Do you think we'll have a snow day tomorrow, Belle? I hope so, Belle answered. But stay tuned, because every day is another weather day. And on this page, they included a recipe you could do to make play snow at home, a glossary, further reading, books, and websites to learn more about snow and blizzards. That was a fun book. They really did a great job creating a kind of a fun way to deal with a winter storm. I hope you're having a great fun day. Love you. See you soon.